In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select security and location, and go to fingerprint. Tap on next, and at first you need to pick the backup for your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or password, whatever you prefer. I will pick pattern. Tap on yes, and now just draw your unlock pattern that you would like to have as your backup. In my case it will be L letter. Tap on next, and then re-enter this pattern to confirm that you want to have it, and click on confirm. So backup is set up. Now you need to personalize the notification content, so you can show it all, you can hide sensitive content, or you can hide all notifications, and I will pick it. Tap on done. And now you need to touch the sensor, so here it is. Just keep tapping until it is fully added. You can observe the progress on the screen, so just patiently tap on the sensor and lift your finger up, then add some other edges of your finger. And click on done once it's finished. And as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern or with your fingerprint. Just tap the sensor and here you are. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.